folks, welcome to the Chartbusters series brought to you by Nice Software Solutions. In this series, we will be exploring multiple chart types, their use cases, and build them using different business intelligence tools. In this video, we will be creating an onion chart using Tableau. In case you're wondering why it's called an onion chart, it gets its name due to its similarity to a cross-section of an onion. As you see, this chart is made up of circles inside circles. The varying circle sizes are based on lower to higher values, which help in at-a-glance analysis. Let us learn how we can assess sales across multiple states using an onion chart. We will begin by connecting to the Sample Superstore dataset, which is provided by default when we install Tableau. Let us drag the orders sheet into the data source pane, and as soon as we drag the sheet, we see the data preview. Now, if required, we can make data modifications here. However, for this demonstration, we will use it as is. Now, go to sheet 1. First, let us calculate sales per state. So, from the Analysis tab, create a calculated field with the formula as you see on the screen. Now, this formula calculates maximum value of sales from all the states available in the pane, and we will call this field as sales per state and click OK. Here, sales per state will act as the radius. Similarly, we will create 3 calculated fields using basic trigonometric functions to get the values for index, the X position, and the Y position. Now, let us start by creating the chart. Drag and drop the X position on the column shelf and Y position onto the rows shelf, and this results into a single mark on the view. Now, in order to break the mark for each state, let us place state in the color card. As you see, this places the marks along the y-axis as per the sales for every state. Now, in order to facilitate at-a-glance analysis, let us simplify the view of this chart. To trace a circular path for every mark, we need values from 0 to 360, which can be achieved using 2 very simple steps. The first step involves creating a calculated field called padding. Now, this formula assigns a value of 0 for the minimum order date for every state and value of 360 for all the other states. Step number 2 is to create a bin to bucket the padding field values from 0 to 360. So let us right-click the padding field and create a bin. Let us assign a bin size of 1. Set your mark type to line and drop the padding bin field into the path card. Now, let us edit the table calculations to get a desired visualizations. Now, when you right-click the X position field and compute using padding bin, make the same changes for the Y position field. And there you go. That's the onion chart. Now, let us add the state to label to make the chart more informative. And if you really want this to resemble an eye-watering onion, we can edit the Y position field to add an offset. Select Fit Width for a broader view, and there you have the onion chart ready. If you would like to make horizontal onion charts or onion rings on your business data, contact us today. To get notified about new charts, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon.